Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll do a detailed review of this USB-C wireless mic from Amazon Basics at rupees 665. This is one of the cheapest no-frills USB-C wireless mics on sale on Amazon today. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. This is the box. It comes with a mic transmitter unit and a USB-C receiver unit neatly placed within this styrofoam case. You also get a USB-C charging cable and a user guide leaflet. So these are the contents inside the box. And no, you do not get a windscreen with the bundle. I really wish Amazon bundled one. Both the transmitter unit and the receiver unit are well built like most Amazon Basics equipment. They don't feel cheap when you hold and use them. It will survive some hard drops and they are lightweight as well. The receiver unit is very compact and it plugs into the USB-C port on your phone, tablet or laptop. It has a female USB port in case you need to charge the phone while the receiver is plugged in and the phone battery runs low. It has a very tiny indicator on the side here. The indicator blinks if the device is plugged into the port on your phone and it is not paired with a transmitter. Once the device is paired, the red light stays on. The transmitter unit has a spring-loaded clip at the rear to clip the device to your shirt or outfit. And this is the windproof net to reduce the wind interference during recording. A furry windscreen would have been better. It has a USB-C charging port on one side, a button on the other side, and a tiny LED indicator here that serves as the indicator for various functions. This button has many functions. Press and hold for 3 seconds to power on the transmitter. The LED blinks red and green alternately. A solid green once it pairs with the receiver attached to the phone. Press and hold it for 3 seconds to turn it off. After powering on the transmitter, press the button once to turn on the noise reduction level to level 1. The green light blinks once. Press it again for level 2. The green light blinks twice. Press it once more for level 3. The green light will blink thrice. Press the button twice in succession to mute the device. You can see the green light blinking. Press it twice once again to unmute it. Press the button thrice to turn on and off the reverb function. It will blink red and green alternately to show that the reverb function is enabled. Press the button thrice once again to turn off the reverb function. If the battery level is low, the red light blinks every 10 seconds. And when you're charging the device, the red light stays on. If the device is fully charged, the light turns off. Okay, so now let's test how well the unit works. Hello everyone, I am standing approximately 10 feet or 3 meters away from the iPhone, and this test recording is clicked using the iPhone's built-in mic. Hello everyone, I am standing approximately 20 feet away from the iPhone, and this test recording is clicked using the iPhone's built-in mic. Hello everyone, I am standing approximately 10 feet from the iPhone, and this test recording is clicked using the Amazon Basics wireless mic. Hello everyone, I am standing approximately 20 feet away from the iPhone, and this test recording is clicked using the Amazon Basics wireless mic. Hello everyone, I am standing more than 20 feet away from the iPhone, and the intent of this video is to test the noise reduction levels. Now the default noise reduction level is level 1. We have 2 more levels, so let's test how well the noise reduction works. This is level 1. There is an AC outdoor unit here and there's a little bit of wind, so these are the apparent noises. Now let us test to level 2. Now this is level 2. There may be an apparent difference in the noise reduction levels, which we'll come to know when we evaluate the video. And this is noise reduction level 3. So this is the best noise reduction level available in this microphone. So that will be all. Okay, so the intent of this video is to check what is the maximum distance at which this wireless microphone can capture the data. So let's keep moving away from the iPhone, and then we'll come to measure the distance. Now we are pretty much more than 25-30 feet now. I'm not sure if the device is still capturing data, but still I'll talk something regardless. Now this, I can hear some pros calling. There's a lot more distance. I do not know if the iPhone can still capture the data. Let's test this. In any case, no video is going to be recorded with the device being so far from the speaker. I'm way too far from the device, and really impressive. A very cheap device like the Amazon Basics is able to capture the voice part. The intent of this video is to check at what distance the microphone can just not capture any data. So I'm right here. You can see me waving the hand.
Hello everyone, I'm standing approximately 10 feet or 3 meters away from this Android device, the Realme GT60, and this test recording is fed using the device's built-in mic. Hello everyone, I'm standing approximately 20 feet away from the Android device, and this test recording is fed using the device's built-in mic.
Hello everyone, I'm standing approximately 10 feet away from the Android device, and this test recording has been clicked using the Amazon Basics wireless mic. Hello everyone, I'm standing approximately 20 feet or 6 meters away from the Android device, and this test recording has been clicked using the Amazon Basics wireless mic. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to test the reverb function. So I've turned on the reverb function on the wireless microphone. I want to check what is this reverb or echo being added as we speak. So this test video will confirm just that.
Hello everyone, I am standing approximately 10 feet from the iPhone, and this test recording is clicked using the iPhone's built-in mic.
Hello everyone, I am standing approximately 10 feet from the iPhone, and this test recording is clicked using the Amazon Basics wireless mic, and I'm standing indoors and the AC fan speed is running at full speed. This is a test message recorded using the iMovie app with the iPad's built-in mic. This is a test message recorded using the iMovie app with the Amazon Basics wireless mic.
Guys, so summing up, this entry-level wireless mic is definitely value for money and it works really well. As you saw in the test clips, the mic performed well outdoors as well as indoors and was able to capture the voice effectively. Surprisingly, the noise reduction feature works really well, which honestly I wasn't quite expecting from this entry-level device. The reverb function on the other hand is quite useless as it adds a lot of echo. A couple of minor drawbacks. One, Amazon does not bundle a furry windscreen like this one, which would have really helped to reduce the wind interference when you're recording outdoors and there's a lot of wind. And two, Amazon should have bundled a carry case like this one for the unit. Now this is from one of the earlier in-ear monitors that I had got some time back. It's a very small unit, but it accommodates everything so neatly. There's a small pouch here on which I can put my Bluetooth shutter, and very compact, fits in the palm of my hand. So Amazon should have bundled a carry case like this. So if you're getting into vlogging, this is a great device to start your vlogging journey, along with a good Bluetooth shutter, a good tripod, and a ring light. So that'll be all, guys. I hope this review was useful. I'll be back with yet another review. Until then, bye and take care.